Hello, and actually, why did I just say hello? Because I don't know, but yeah. Hello, and look, I kind of made some changes from last episode, but, remember Freddy biting my head? Mr. Afton, he said that could happen with Freddy. He's kind of just a little, buggy. So, let me call him again. Hello, Afton. Hi? Hi, can I talk to you for a second? Yeah? Did you ever go to the scooper room? Yeah, a bunch of times. I kind of destroyed a lot of the animatronics. Well, I kind of need you to bring me to the scooper room. I need you to destroy every animatronic here. I'm sorry, but I can't do that. My narrator thing won't let me. Well, you know what? I'll make my own scooper then. Okay. Okay, guys. We're gonna have to go make our own scooper. Alright, let's go. So, first off, we need stone. We're gonna make our own scooper, guys. We're gonna get those animatronics. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get the scooper up like this. This is not gonna be a very good scooper, but it's gonna be something to destroy them. Alright, guys. This is it. Let's go get Freddy, Bonnie, and Chica. We already got Freddy. We broke him, remember? If you haven't watched the other videos, go check them out because it got really intense. Let's go in. Alright, guys. Freddy, Bonnie, and Chica. We're gonna have to go. Let's get him back. Guys, one little thing I don't really know how to, spawn the animatronics just like with an egg, so I'm just gonna rebuild them. Alright, so let's get the animatronics back in here. Okay, let's go. Get up here. Get this. Where is it? There it is. And then Bonnie first. Alright, guys. Bonnie. Alright. Let's go. Endoskeleton. So that should be good. Okay, so put this on, then put that on. No, what's happening? I can't. Alright, that's Bonnie's endoskeleton, I guess. Alright, guys. Here we go. Scooper, do your work. Scooper, do your work. There we go. There we go. Chica, I don't think she has to be, because she's very fragile, and I think I just destroyed her in the pizzeria. So, guys, we got them. We finally did it. We destroyed the animatronic family, I guess. We're gonna have to talk to Afton about this, because he'll be so happy. Actually, he will probably be happy. Hey Afton, so I made my scooper and Chica kinda just got destroyed when I tried to take her to, the scooper. So, she kinda got destroyed, so, but Bonnie didn't, so I destroyed him. Alright? Okay, but I feel like Purple Guy won't be happy. Okay, I'm gonna call him right now. Hey Purple Guy, I put the animatronics into a scooper I made. Is that alright? Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Afton, he said it's fine. Okay, I guess I'm the only one who's wrong here. Okay. Bye. Alright, guys. That was the video. I know it was a pretty short one, but it'll do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.